Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send Docs coins from Telegram wallet to Binance. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and check out my Binance link in the description below for a $100 bonus. Now once you are on Telegram wallet, you want to go ahead, click on assets where it says more assets, and you want to find your docs. After you're gonna click on the docs, you can go ahead and click here a send option. So you want to click send. After that, you will see an option to choose your external wallet. So you want to go ahead and click external wallet, where you will have an option then to go ahead and enter the address, and you need an address to go to Binance. So go ahead to Binance. Once you are on Binance, you want to go ahead to your wallets and click on deposit. After that, you want to search for docs, choose it. Now you're going to choose Toncoin Network. And as you can see, both memo and an address are required to successfully deposit your docs, so make sure to use both. After that, you're going to just copy the address and later memo, and go back to your Telegram. So here you're just gonna enter your address and you're gonna choose it. Now after that, you will see an option to enter how much docs you want to transfer, and you're gonna write down how much and then click continue. Continue, then you're gonna enter the memo right here. Make sure you copy it from your Binance. After that, you will see your address and a fee. As you can see, the fee is $1.95 USD, and the total amount is that much. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.